Our adaptive assignments provide a lot of meaningful information for both you and your students. But how do you retrieve that and use it in a meaningful way? It couldn't be easier. When you pop into the assignment, you're taken to the Instructor View, where you can immediately see the status of your class, how many students have started the assignment, completed it, haven't touched it, or are struggling in areas. You can also see how your class is doing on each individual learning objective tied to this adaptive assignment. You can see how long it's taking them to move through the content and how many questions it's taking them. And by clicking directly into a learning objective, you can review the individual questions your class is facing. If you want to see how a specific student is doing, you can click on the Students tab, where you can see where each student is in relation to the rest of the class, what grade they've earned so far, how many questions they've answered, and whether or not they're struggling. Like before, you can drill down and look at the specific questions they've been asked and what instruction they've been provided, for the whole of the assignment or for a specific learning objective. I hope this helps, and please don't hesitate to reach out to your Customer Success Manager for assistance. And if you don't know who your CSM is, please email customersuccess@wiley.com and we'll get you connected with them right away. Have a great semester.